In this video, we will look at a common problem: outgoing emails not being sent out. Let's get started. There might be a couple of reasons behind this, but we are going to tackle two of them. Let's start with a quick one: read timed out error. To find out if this is your problem or not, go to the outgoing mail queue on the Administration tab and select Error Queue. Click on the queue item to expand it and you will see the log, where you need to look for read timed out. This type of error might be present when connecting to both incoming and outgoing mail servers, but because of slow internet connection or large emails, the server is taking longer to respond and send information than the timeout value set. This value is 10,000 milliseconds by default. This is the period META-INF attempts to connect to the server, and after which it disconnects, times out, if the attempt is unsuccessful. So the solution is simple: change the timeout value. To do so, on the Administration tab, choose Outgoing Mail Connections. Select your mail connection and click Edit under the three little dots. The maximum value you can set the timeout is 60,000 milliseconds. We recommend you to increase it to the max. And done. No recipients error. Just like in the case of the read timed out error, you need to look at the log and look for no recipients. You might say you have recipients set up in your to, CC and BCC fields. However, there are some cases where META-INF cannot resolve these recipients. Make sure you review the following. First of all, check the recipient status, which might be inactive. Then make sure no recipient restrictions apply to the recipients. You can check this on your outgoing mails tab under recipient restrictions and make sure that your settings match your requirements. Also, if your recipients are custom field values, always make sure that these custom fields have valid values at the time of sending the email. If everything seems fine and you are trying to send an email via notification schemes or workflow post functions, there are two more things worth taking a look at. If you have JQL set up, make sure that the recipients have access to the issue based on the JQL filter of the event notification or post function. If your recipients are custom field values, make sure that META-INF receives the values before creating the email. Some third-party add-ons can also affect this. If your emails should be sent because of an email notification setting, make sure that the Include Own Changes option is enabled. If not, enable it. One last important thing about the no recipient error. If there is at least one valid email address in the recipients list, we send the email to the valid address and this error is not displayed. Feel free to also check out our written documentation of the errors mentioned in this video, or contact our lovely support team for further advice and check out our META-INF services. If you have an META-INF topic in mind that we should discuss next time, let us know in the comments below. See you next time, bye!